Problem day. Better call Jesus. Better call Jesus. Teachers, nurses. Problem day. Problem day, guys. Asema wo ho. Na asem we die. E wo say ye kan. Isan say yan kan. John Dramani Mahama. Ebe ye dane yen. Or the sex be dane ye 9. Na penifo se yi wutinu ankasa ho ye den. Ye yiwe yi boni. Eno nti no ye ba be doko mu ni adoso mu ni ye din ho nkomo. Unim say John Dramani Mahama. Ghana man penyini. Ghana 40 bon koso ofo ya kosa na koto abama no. E ma ende wa betena so bi on Ghana man penyini. Na so papa we Ghana man penyini pen. Abra His Excellency the former president John Evans Fifia Tamius Efrem no. He didn't be say so on the 24th right of July 2012. He didn't be say so as Ghana president. He sat to about 7th December 2012. We win here court later and he declares on the win here or but now as president. Now somewhere now you teaching us such idea in fear polymiensa. It all cabo so miensa. 3 years, near about 3 months. Problem day, better call Jesus, better call Jesus. Plans na shegu, dreams ni na shegu. Enti, yes, I know no sanso ka say, mo cry, so mo sa ko school no kosua ade na yes ama mo alawabi. Ibi ya ma adwon. Be twem na say twem. And alawa no so I sanso etwem, it cancel the alawa. So as to cancel the allowance way the nurses to come now, I say, you may say, I'm going to try then you also cancel the nursing teacher training allowances. It cancel that one too. So as to cancel the nursing teacher training allowance, then teaching teachers training allowances now. Everybody don't say, Master, you do this man. Say, hey, we should not even try Ghana to go back now. So you make Ghanaians first, wait 2016, they go vote against them. Kufuor come, can do everything, give them papa. Can restore their teacher training allowances, nursing training allowances. The money when Mahama they own them, we no pay them no. Kufuor come, he can't pay the teachers all the money, the nurses can't pay them their money. Where the teachers no, he can't introduce professional allowance and not give them. So I start in 2019 no. Now every month they give them 100 cedis. So if they pay give them in November, that be 1,002. When I give them research allowance of 800 cedis, that one started in 2021. So as we reach 2023, no, where Kufuor say no, the 100 cedis no, it be small. Wait, it take them go 200 cedis. Meaning say right there, no, they will collect 2,400 at the end of the year. That be when they give them money somewhere around November. That be when they give them their money. Then they go add the research allowance of 800 cedis. So you go make what 3,200. So 2023, you pay give them. 2024, you pay give them. Now 2025, John Dramani Mahama come, he validate them, then everything finished. The day reach way, then they expect say the money will come out. He come out. Your Mahama no pay. He pay only 1 month, 200 cedis pay. There is such allowance, no. Now these people bored, them they talk. But my brother be say he get something to talk. He say he get something tell you people. Maybe go listen to what he has to say. After that, we will come then continue the discussion. You go to in Samoa, Danny, and what the Magana, 8 teachers for, you go to Timbra.
Ghana teacher for Moses say, Missy Kofi J. Kasim was say, a kainiba, any a deep grantre, a boony second mighty. A kaini, I was seeing a canamarino, or no mommy a timidity or granty, a buno, say a canamighty, and yet a gatti niba. A teacher for a makwadentity, a binumu acquire or masters, about degree, HRD. Motenaho, ma John Dramani Mahama, Odi Mwakatria from 2012, DBC 2016. Edadamo. Yemu Akiafo. Yemu Sabi, Jadini Banu or Tigrum Airtom Moneno, Yanadan. Savinino or Tinico Qua City Coco, Yanadan, Mua Sabi, Wakwadentity, Esuade, Umum Tinamibu Beno. Akainia sabi wasua kanamawe no onu mom ene yatimidi wo dwanti ebu ne say kanamaiti enya daga atini ba sabi even kanamai sekura da wa wonim aboakro oman we ye mobo na Captain Smart Sabi kwasi ampani we sorry anu obetena radio so all because of say akufu ado baaye no wo de Ghana sika ebo mo ho bra wamfa ntofie ne cars yama no aneb to onu timi gina TV station so ka say edin title no kra friend of vice former president no e wasi yi fra akufu ado so enne wanya abanye a wono titi sika sabi man kwasi afo odikwa abre omunya adwuma Ghana nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ esu ne wɔn ban ebinum wɔn de ti kurom ha no all because of say yankasa temamufoɔ no nyɛ yadwene sɛ yɛbɛsua bibi ne yɛapɛ bibi asua akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ a mo kyerɛ yɛ ma nyansa ɛne nteteɛ ɛna mu na mu nie John Dramani Mahama mu na mu nie dabi education ehia NDC aban enwoma sua ehia no because sa wo mani pasua de na naniti ehunu nyansa onfa akole sam enkodada anwonani e ma ne mfa ne vote e ma no o mani pa esua de na ohunu enwoma hu se de abrabo city a sa nipa no sa omo tricks politics na omo ye ne krom ha no omo ntimi nye yes krokro de John politics 24-hour economy ne sansem hunu no omo keka no kuro yi mu last election etwa mu no enipa anitia te se me gina ha ya untimi mfa sa ankwase asem wei emetome ma dwenim ema me nkoto aba ma wo enipa sua nyansa onto abanyi aban a wono sabi emabunu gufie pa adwuma ye na wono de sanitary pad adwene na danitirim sanitary pad adwene aba na ankafo sabi abodamfo okuregu ho no ye mabi kwan so omabu man a sa eno ma we wonye mo matena ho nwoma suafo akrachefo amabobo degree ahodo ebi mo abo masters matena ho de sa papa we yaba munnim no from 2012 to 2016 ni suban ni nipa boni ni awoye mo akrachefo munya hunu hwe afinu ni yebe wie no mo akatua nkasa mo de malawa na musu akatua nkasa na ebe kam amu omodi ni ye de sika na sesa ama Ghana ensantwerofo se ya na omope ye mpabre yes yafunu nsantwerofo ni kuroyimu yafunu adifo mu gukuroyimu se ya abanya asabi only vision any vision emma sabi enchirima eba na obatitim sabi sika hunu amu omodi eno de oya aban nemom abanya obeba ebadwene baya no ma asabi ebebo o man ne da kye yempe fasika no ma yeni wo ne John Dramani Mahama bae kuruwaba kura won fa bi nkyere wo man kuruwaba enso hwe Ghana nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ bio TV station radio station na tie nkwase asɛm a yɛka ne subi mada all because of say ya toto cars ya mo omo amemo omu sika enne omu live luxury life intino omu ye okay mo timamufoɔ na musuo no munya hunu yeti kuro we mu sabi yesi nyansa basiaba yensua bi ene yeteya so wo man nyansa basiaba enne baabi awiase adri ye kokenkan budget ya mo man a sanitary pad ekosi ejanai bia empem ahasa president ye yanya no ye nyina yeso ne ye wia ene eboyen no yeso ene ye wia na eboyen no nyame oye nyansafo eche nipa nyame ohata suruwe ono John Dramani Mahama oko intotros midrifi during election time no ono gina ho mwalawa ho nsensem nyina mate wo nim se de esitua alawa ema schoolfo na schoolfo oboje ne so schoolfo akrachefo asabi ete classroom esua nwoma boje ne so nipa trofo sei na wa ye no ho innocent face na Ghana fo hunu bi da wasakira emu asofo atrofo munmun nsɛmtwerɛfo asabi omu hia aban asabi odi sika ebe mu omodi nya aban ya obekyekyere man nya aban asabi oba enkyirma ene timamufuo benya ne so mfaso dabi mole aban tete ho nika kukuru kocho.
So guys, that be the issue. Why do you know the teachers verse them say me dofwa dada mio me dofwa jiji mi a koku me bim. The song say I don't know how to sing them. But the issue right in be say them say John Dramani Mahama ada. You remember the song where be like somebody be nasi or you. Some song be where they say Mahama is the hope. He gives you hope. He gives you hope. From them say right the hope where he dey. Sick of them, they try and find the hope lost. The hope no, they know they find the hope again, the hope lost. That be what the teachers and the nurses they talk. You know, say the nurses where them go to the demonstration, no, like the teachers, no, where them say them give them clearance last year, then start the work. Where some of them work like 11 months, then 12 months, where they no pay them, where them go to demonstration. Where the minister for education, how they do so, then the minister for health, what be his name self, Minta Kando, as they can talk say the Ministry of Finance, right, you know, are giving the controller clearance to pay those money, no. You know, say they can't talk say that money to 1 month pay, Mahama pay. Them say 11 months, he pay 1 month. This man, you people, you like not knowing record. He gets record. If you come teachers and nurses, he gets strong record. Give you people. See, you these Gen Zs, we they talk you something where you know they listen. You know they listen. Like you be stubborn. Yeah, JDM, you know they play plus. You know get and give you people. Minister go fit tell you say make you go cut grass. Then he tell you say make you go cut grass. Then you go fix and I tell you say make you go cut make you go pick stones. Then gather them, then come put for roadside. If car they pass, where the person maybe they hear some stones do something for you, then you go buy. That be what in employment and labor minister. Right now, if him know the minister that time, where he's not giving the same position. That's same man, Rashid Papo. That be what he talk that time. So myself, I don't know what these people tell you menace way. It make you get vim go vote give them. But remember, say the time where Mahama go some school, be like if nursing school be, where you menace go, then go cry, then apologize to him, say you did sorry, say you know vote give them, then you dey watch people say, Mumu Jimmy, you dey fool your body. Cause as you people they do that, you dey watch you say you menace be like you don't know me, you don't know say it be me JDM way, I be the person where he cancel you people your allowance nana. You don't know say it be me. Now if you guys say you do me, you don't know say you do your body. Who names are young? What dream and say oh what they do a they do, but you know they do anybody, you do yourself. You do yourself. I tell you say the biggest mistake you go make as a Ghanaian be say you go wake up and go join line say to go vote, then go vote give you a Ibu Mahama. Ibu Mahama, you know they care about you. You know see you in picking no chop finish you want can chop. Who do with Tibe shoot them Mojabeba still no go mind you. That be JDM for you. Sometimes you could go reading history. He saying he be your drown for no, he be dead goat. So whatever you talk, you do, you know they see, you know they hear, you go feel cry. You know they care. That be JDM for you. I know say you get plenty things for talk. You get plenty things where you want talk, right? The comment section self are open now. Go pour your frustration for the comment section inside. It they open. Nobody will hold you. But one thing I want you to understand is that John Dramani Mahama doesn't care about you. He doesn't care about you. He has no sympathy for you. I'm telling you, this is the honest truth. No one will tell you, but I will tell you. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the President of the Republic of Ghana, doesn't care about you. He has no sympathy for you as a nurse or a teacher. That one, Pasha will trim. That he doesn't care about you. He has no sympathy for you. He don't send you. He don't send your mama. Say make it take you go nursing or teacher training school. He don't send you. Peace. Shalom. Bye bye.